Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm with my one and only princess, my unika iha, my baby Zoe. Say hi to everyone. Hi everyone, I'm baby Zoe and looks at my cheeks. It's so chunky. See, I know you are tickled to me, but you cannot pisil my biscuit. So, what are we going to do tonight, Zoe? What are you gonna tell them? What will you tell them? So, share them what did you do today? What did you do today, Zoe? You just daddy poo-poo and sleep? Huh? That's what you did today? Daddy poo-poo and sleep? Hi everyone! My baby Zoe! Yay! Nadente! You're my honey bun sugar pie. You're my sweeting pie. You're my cupcake. Hi. Kiss mommy. Kiss nga mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Ba yan? Ayaw kiss mommy ah. Kiss mommy. Are you looking here? Hi. Hi. Apa yan? I love you. I love you, Zoe. Ah, tutulog. Ay, tutulog. Nanalo na. Apa yan na? You show them how to tulog your laway? Apa yan? Tell them we're gonna sleep now. Bye everyone. I will sleep now. Good night. Good night. Good night. Tutulog. Good night po. Bye-bye.